Hi, everybody. My name is Micah Mangione, and I'm here today because some people say that we are on the cusp of a revolution. But I say no. I say we are in the midst of a revolution. It's a digital revolution. It's an exponential revolution. By the year 2100, when we reach that point, if we look back to the year 2000, if we were to take everything that we know in the year 2000 and we were to try to achieve with just what we knew, just the computers, just the knowledge, just the technology, if we were to try to achieve everything that happens by the year 2100, we will have actually advanced 100 physical years, but 10,000 technological years. So this is an exponential revolution in technology. We use our computers to help us learn new things, and our computers use the newest and latest and greatest. So my laboratory is called the SpaceTrex Laboratory at the Arizona State University, and we study the artificial intelligence of space rovers. And we also say that this isn't just digital, and this isn't just exponential, this is a collective revolution. Because technology is not just something that happens to us. Early in the Industrial Revolution, when it first occurred, when steam engines first came into place, all of the factory owners that used to have the hand-cranked looms and they did everything by hand, this steam engine technology is something that happened to them. By the second generation of factories, they incorporated these steam engines, and they incorporated these devices into their factories. And this is something that happened with them. And in the same way, technology today is something that happens to us primarily. It's something that we reach in our pockets and we grab, and it's something that we use. It's something that we're now learning how to incorporate more of our lives and more of our society into these. But there are downfalls. Flickr, the image file sharing service, has one of the best machine learning teams that you can possibly have. And they find that when you take 1 million images, or I think it's 1.5 million, something like that, but when you take 1.5 million images and you feed them into a computer, you say, okay, computer, learn about these images and classify them for me. Weird things happen. When you start feeding them images of concentration camps and things like that, birds, no problem, birds, animals, things like that. But when you feed them images of concentration camps, they find that it tags them with things like sport and jungle gym. But in our laboratory, what we find is it's not the ability of a robot or rover to accomplish one specific task. It's the ability of the human to coach that rover using maybe not even the best algorithm, but sometimes a conglomeration of mediocre algorithms. So this technology, in this way, what we're finding is technology is not just something that happens, it's something we have to coach and guide. And in the exact same way as we evolve as a society, and as our technology increases and advances, it becomes part of us. So the Matrix doesn't have us, we are the Matrix. Thank you.